Hi, I'm Connie with Microsoft Customer Service. Today, I'm going to show you how you can help encourage healthy screen time habits by managing the amount of time your child spends on Windows 10 and Xbox One devices. For this example, we want to limit Miles' Xbox One activities to only weekends between 1 p.m. and 9 p.m. In a web browser, go to account.microsoft.com/family. If you aren't signed in, sign into your Microsoft account. Select screen time for the child you want to manage. If you have screen time limits turned off, you'll need to turn them on. There are two components to managing screen time: how many hours your child can use each device and when they can use the device. Right now, Miles can use Xbox One devices from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. all week, up to 15 hours each day. Since we want to limit Miles' Xbox One activities to only weekends between 1 p.m. and 9 p.m. and don't want him to have any time during the weekday, we'll set the hours allowed during the week to blocked. Next, let's adjust the time limit for the weekend days and add our new time ranges. To set a new time range, click on the day that you want to change. Remove the existing time schedule, then select the new hours. Click Add, then Save. Follow the same steps for Saturday. Now, both Saturday and Sunday have our desired playtime limit between 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. and weekdays are blocked. If Miles is playing on his Xbox One and his screen time is almost up, he will get a notification. He can ask for more screen time or dismiss it. You can grant an exception directly on the console via an email alert or on account.microsoft.com/family. Or you can decide that Miles doesn't need to play any longer and he'll be signed out when he reaches a screen time limit. You can also view Miles' activities on Windows 10 and Xbox One devices. To enable activity reporting on a Windows 10 PC, make sure the account you want to manage has diagnostics and feedback set to full. This is done through Windows 10 Settings, Privacy Options. Once you've completed this step, go to account.microsoft.com/family and sign in with your Microsoft account. Under Miles' account, select Activity. If you have activity reporting turned off, you'll need to turn it on. You'll be able to see Miles' web searches, websites he visited, and which games and apps he used and for how long. If you see anything you don't want Miles to use, you can block access. You also get an overview of screen time across all Windows 10 and Xbox One devices Miles is using. And you can also opt to get a weekly report emailed to you so you can stay on top of his activity. Remember, you can always return to account.microsoft.com to manage your Microsoft family settings or add new family members. You can also manage your own account details, such as reviewing your order history, manage your Microsoft subscriptions and services, or update your payment options. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.